Hi everyone, welcome to Jay's Crafters World. A memory wire bracelet with stars in it. How does it look? Okay, let me try it. That is the video about. For these, I've chosen acrylic beads of star shape, and memory wire is going to be of 2 layers. So first step is cutting the memory wire according to our need. Then in one end of the memory wire, form a loop, and through the other end, insert the beads. Once the beads are inserted along the memory wire, close the loop, forming a bracelet. For the end of the bracelets, I am making a hanging. For this, I have taken a pollen and making the hanging with it. Do try these bracelets and let me know in comments. The materials used are available in the website. The link is given in the description. Do check out. If you have found this video useful, give a like and share, and also do subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon for regular updates. Also follow the Instagram account. Thank you all.